Hey y'all. So if you was just on our live, I'm about to just show y'all how to get the tickets to the event. If you was on the live with Monique and I, we dropped a whole bunch of gems for an entire hour about taxes, about credit, about leveraging your credit, your personal credit before going on to the business side, about home ownership, and about our seminar on February 27th. Let me show y'all if I can pull it up right quick. Okay, so y'all see my website, right? So when you go to my website and you go to the events page right here, you're going to see our event. It's the first one. And when you click on it, it brings you into the event page. All you got to do is say secure my seat and check out. It's $45. The price is not going to go up. So grab your tickets early. It is limited. It's very limited, y'all. It's very limited because of the fact that we're going to be actually showing you some future homes that you can maybe purchase on your own. Hey, y'all. Thank y'all for hopping on, because I'm not going to be on here long because I literally just got off live for an hour. But I just wanted to show y'all how and where to get the tickets. The website is cartercapitalpllc.com. Same thing you see on my shirt. cartercapitalpllc.com. Click on the events tab and it's the first link. If you are interested in coming to the event that myself and Monique is going to be hosting, if you are interested in purchasing your own home, you need your taxes done, you need your credit fixed, you need information on credit, definitely be in the room. There's no other place that you can get this type of information for $45, right? If your credit is not in the right space, we have opportunities for you to get your credit fixed for free. Okay, so you don't have to go pay a credit repair company. We're going to help you fix your credit for free, get you in a home that you need to be in, also help you prepare your taxes the right way in order for you to qualify for the home of your dreams, right? So be sure to secure your seat if you are interested in coming to this amazing event on February 27th. It's only $45, very limited seats. Today is the first day. Tickets go on sale. Okay, 2 people just bought a ticket just now. I'm looking at it right now while we on here. So, y'all, make sure y'all get y'all tickets, because when the seats are up, the seats are up. It's going to be a very interactive event. I will have my computer with me, so if you haven't filed your taxes yet and you know you need to file, you know you're trying to purchase that home, go ahead and bring your information, your documents with you, or you can upload everything on the mobile app beforehand, and I can do it. I can go over the consultation with you while we're at the event. You can ask me questions. We can meet on Zoom prior to the event as well. It's completely up to you. I'm very hands-on with all of my clients. We have thousands of clients. I'm not a one-man show. We actually have an entire team that's here to help you guys on your wealth journey. So people that want to see you win are here to help you win. I'm here to help y'all win with this financial literacy to home ownership program. If you're interested in coming to the event, once again, go to our website and you'll see under the events page where you can purchase your ticket for only $45. All right, it's very limited, but it's all for people who want to become homeowners. All right, so thank y'all for y'all time. I'm gonna drop the link in my story, and I'm gonna leave this live up as well. So just go to our website, click the link, hit the events page, and you'll be able to get your ticket for only $45. Remember that it's limited. If you, your sister, your brother, your boyfriend, your cousin is talking about purchasing a home, they need to be in this room. Okay? You got the tax goat, you got the realtor goat, and we also have some lenders and some other special guests that's coming in, but it's hosted by us. These people brought us in because we're the experts. We didn't come up with this event on our own. They actually had a meeting with us a few weeks ago. I don't know if y'all follow me or pay attention to what I was doing, but the realtor called me from that company and told us, hey, we want to get this realtor, Miss Monique Marshall, in here, because she has sold over $6 million in homes within the past 10 months. All right, I've been doing taxes for 10 years. My audit record is scotch-free, right? So keep that in mind when you're looking for a knowledgeable, experienced, educated tax professional or accountant. So if you're a business owner, or if you work a 9 to 5, you get a W-2,